In normal subtraction, there should not be any place. Okay, now tell me, 1 minus 1, what is the result?
0.
0. Now 1 minus 1, both are 1 bit, so my resultant is 0. Now 1 minus 0, both are 1 bit, so resultant will be 1. Resultant, that is 1 bit. Up to this, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's perform the minus. 0 minus 1. Okay, now 0 and 1, both are having 1 bit, correct? I cannot write the answer using 2 bit. My resultant should be in 1 bit format. Okay, so for storing purpose, we are saying, so 0 minus 1, so there is a resultant is 1, but borrow 1, you have to perform 1 borrow. Okay, so this is the conventions. In norm, it is a normal procedure. There should not be any scope of giving minus sign. The minus sign will come automatically when we perform normal subtractions like m minus n convention, or if we perform using subtraction using sign bit convention. Okay, otherwise in normal additions of subtractions, we do not have any provision to give minus sign. Yes, what is the query?
Sir, your slide is not visible.
Because I didn't share any slide right now. Class will start after 3-4 minutes. Okay. So I have just shared one, what should I say, that means one screenshot in WhatsApp where you can download the video. Okay, lots of students have lots of queries. Sir, we are unable to find the video, but we can see the video. So I do not know whether they are not getting, why they are not getting the screen. I do not know why.
Sir, it is not visible in mobile phone, sir.
Okay, then what should I do, na?
Sir, it is visible, but in browser version. Sir, it is visible in browser version.
Okay, if it is visible in browser version, then the student should open this using browser version and download it, because the main objective is to find the solution, na? So if we upload all those things, it is already given, it is already provided, but still the students are requesting, sir, दे दो. हाँ, ये क्या भाई बच्चों के माफिक बोल रहा है हमेशा. It is in which date?
Sir, बच्चे ही तो है sir.
No, all are in 18 plus category. Okay, so Control A, Control C. Let me share another one. Okay, so in this way you can download, you can all lectures. Search properly. Request to search properly. Okay, it is 1:15. Let's wait for another 2-3 minutes. How many students? 130 students, but we have, I believe in our class we have 161 students. Okay, क्या करना है आज? पानी पी लेता हूँ थोड़ा.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, very good afternoon. So it is 1:16. So we can start, or should I wait for another 2-3 minutes for other student?
So let's start. Sir.
Let's start, sir.
Okay, because
the class was scheduled at 1. So
no. The thing, because the thing is that in MS Team, I do not know how to give the date from, that means time from 1:15. Okay, because it is giving by default 1 or 1:30 to 2:30 in this way. That's why I was forced to give 1. Okay, the class will start from 1:15. Okay. Similarly, all the
it's 1:17.
So that's why we can start right now. Don't worry. So yes, we can, yes. Where is the? Okay, now just wait 1 minute. कहाँ पे था? Arts complement से maths करना है ना? Let's open this slide using arts complement. Okay, now I'm sharing my window. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just wait 1 minute. I have to check whether we are recording or not. कहाँ गया भाई? Yes, it is recording. Okay.
Yes, sir, it's recording.
Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you. Now, just check these steps. Then we will solve the problem quickly because we will start a new topic today. Okay. So I believe you have already written those steps. Just quickly verify whether you have written correctly or not. Okay. Can you move to the next slide?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Before
sir, yes,
moving
sir.
to the yes. Okay. Before moving to the next slide, I'm just reading those steps. In this steps 1, I have to perform m-1 subtraction. So in this step 1, I have to find n's complement. Sorry, r-1's complement of n. Okay. The resultant suppose a. The resultant may be suppose a. And this step 2, I have to add m and a. Correct. So suppose the resultant is b. I do not know how many bits will be there in b. Now in step 3, I have to count the bit and compare the number of bit with respect to m and n. M and n both should have same number of bit to perform this operation. If there is any mismatch, we have to pad 0. Okay, because in the R's complement procedure, we have learned how to pad 0. Then if the same number of bit is not coming in the B, so that means obviously there is a end carry, that means 3A steps. So if there is any extra bit end carry, so you have to discard it. Then you take this one and you have to add this one to least significant digit. Okay, LSB or LSD. If there is end carry, if there is no end carry, so number of bit in B and number of bit in M and N both are same. So that means there is no end carry. Then you have to find the R-1's complement of B. Okay. Then final result, while writing the final result, you have to place one minus sign. In this way, the minus sign is coming. So who is requesting? Do not request. It is my desktop. We cannot give the control.
Sir, sir,
Okay. Yes.
sir,
What is the query?
Sir, the third A step will be common for both binary subtraction and for decimal subtraction.
Oh, why you are considering the binary subtractions? Huh? It is
Binary way
R-1.
we use 0 and 1.
Okay, don't get confused. Binary, it is a 1-bit subtraction. There is no provision of placing plus or minus or something. I have 1 bit, I have another bit. So m 1 bit, n 1 bit. Resultant should be 1 bit. Whether there is any borrow or carry, doesn't matter. Plus minus sign doesn't matter. We don't bother. Okay, these procedures are used in real world application. Real world application, suppose if I perform 10 minus 12, I know it is answer should be minus 2. Okay, so in this real world application, we have to account this minus sign. Otherwise, in normal procedure, in normal binary subtraction, 0 minus 1, it is a 1. Okay, positive 1, not negative 1, but with borrow 1. Okay, you have to remember those steps. Do not get confused in normal binary subtractions, and these are the rules. Huh? And those minus sign will be in that means accounted in the real world applications which are solved here using R's complement and R-1's complement. Okay, can you go to the slide, next slide?
Yes,
Can you go to the next slide? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure,
Okay,
sir.
no. क्या हुआ, क्यों नहीं जा रहा है? हाँ. So in this, you have already written this example. Okay, so I want to perform m minus n where m and n both are given, and R's complement, R-1's complement, we have to use that procedure. Now the thing is that, so it is 1's complement, so R-1 equal to 1 if I write, then R equal to 2. So base is known. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So small n equal to 7. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Small n equal to 7. Both are having same number of bits. So we do not have to perform any padding, 0 padding. Okay. Now, what is the procedure? The first step tells us you have to perform 1's complement of capital N. So if we perform the 1's complement of capital M, we learn if we have 0, then you have to convert it to 1, and if we have 1, you have to convert into 0, or vice versa. That means, so one's complement of these data will be nothing but 0, triple 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, it is a shortcut, but if in the exam we believe you have to show each and every steps. Okay, so the steps are given. Procedure is given. The formula is nothing but r to the power n minus r to the power minus small m, then minus n. We are using this formula to find the r minus 1's complement, and the process are given over here, and finally we got the same result. Whatever we have shown using shortcut process. Okay, up to this, is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's
Yes,
clear,
sir.
Okay. Now, what is and as per our that means algorithm or procedure, it is the resultant. It is A. This is this data. Okay. So in the second step, we have to add M and A. Okay. So let's add. So after adding, you will get this data. Okay. So we are not repeating how to add. Okay. So now the thing is that how many bits are there? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here n equal to 8. But in the original problem, we have started our solution using n equal to 7. Okay, so there is a end carry. So this is end carry. Okay, end carry. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, there is a end carry. Now let's go to the next step. If end carry occurs, then what is the procedure? Should I use 3A or 3B? 3A or 3B?
3A.
Yes, 3A because we have end carry.
3A, sir.
Yes. Thank you. So if there is end carry, we have to discard it. Okay. So we have to discard it, and we have to add this one to LSD, least significant digit. Okay. So let's add after, because we got this data. So this is the end carry. So we have to discard it. So after discarding the 1, so we will get 3 0 tetra 1. So 3 0 tetra 1. Then this one like this formula, okay, has to be added with LSB. Okay, so we are adding, all are in binary. So we are adding. After performing these additions, we got this result. Okay, we got this data. Okay, now what is my resultant? The result is nothing but m minus n equal to this one, or you can omit initial 2 zeros. Both can be done. Okay, is it clear? Or is there any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
I am asking to other students, those who are facing issue. Is it clear or not? Then we will move to another example. Okay, in which position?
Sir, a general idea about R's complement.
It is old already, na? I have told already those things. So we are performing the subtraction using r minus 1's complement. Okay, so video lectures are given. So you consult those lectures and solve 1 or 2 problems. Okay, otherwise we have to again resolve our old topic. So lectures are available. Please try to consult, because we solve 5 or 6 problems how to perform R's complement.
Yes, sir. I have a general doubt, sir. That is not considered.
R complements is minus n. This is the formula. You have to use this formula. So all are given. So what is the issue? You ask your friend, na? ठीक है, बोलो क्या है, थोड़ा बोलो, जल्दी बोलो.
Sir, the base of the number capital N, the base or subscript must be equal to R, na sir?
Base is always R.
हाँ, but okay, sir. ये.
Okay, ठीक है. So here, what is the base? It is 1's complement. Okay. So I do because so r minus 1 has to be written 1. So I will get r equal to 1, r equal to 2. So r is the base always. I asked in the first lectures or second lectures, not in first lecture, in second lectures. R is the base always. Capital N is the normal digit. It may be in binary, maybe in decimal, doesn't matter, maybe in octal. Small n is number of bit available in capital N, like this problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So small n equal to 7. You could have observed this one. Na? Here I have written all those things. R is base 2. then small n, capital N, all are given over here. So can you move to the next slide? Can you move to the next slide?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now before observing this one, you observe M and N. Okay. If I interchange M and N, for example, suppose okay, why you are asking the request? If I perform 12 minus 10, what will be my result? 2. Okay. Suppose this is my example, and if I interchange M and N, that means 10 minus 12. So what will be my result? Same result, but with minus sign. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So,
sir.
so in the next problem, we have interchanged M and N only. We have interchanged. Okay. So if we interchange, I should get kahan gaya cursor? I should get same result. That means 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, same 0, but with minus sign. If I interchange
minus
M
sign.
and N. If I interchange M and N. Okay. So let's try to find whether we are getting or not. Okay. Now by observing this one, by observing this position, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So small n equal to 7, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here small n equal to 7. Correct? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir. No,
Okay.
sir.
Now here most significant bit is equal to 1. Most significant bit is equal to 1. Correct? Here most significant bit equal to 1. Now after that it is position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In fourth position in this data you will get 2 to the power 4 value. But in fourth position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In fourth positions you will get 0 value. So obviously capital N, this is capital N and this is capital M. So obviously in this way we can easily identify capital N is greater than capital M. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
is it
sir.
clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So in this, yes, what is the issue? Yes, what is the issue? Okay. Okay. Now, so by observing this position of the bit 1, we can find whether M or N is larger or not. Okay. So a capital N is larger than capital M. So my result, my final result should be some negative then some data. Yes or no? There will be some negative sign. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is our observation. That is our observation. Okay. So now let's start. Here M and N both are given because M minus N we are performing. Okay. So what is the steps? We have to find R minus 1's complement of capital N. Here 1's complement means R minus 1 equal to 1, which will give R equal to 2, R equal to base. Okay. So and we already found small n equal to 7. So if I try to find 1's complement of capital N, my answer using shortcut process should be this. Okay, but using standard procedure, this is the process. Formula is nothing but R to the power n minus R to the power minus m, then capital M n. This is procedure. So I am not describing this procedure because we have already given 5 example how to find R minus 1's complement. Process are same, so we are not repeating. So final result is this one, and using shortcut process we are also getting same result. Okay, and as per our process, the resultant, that means complement 1's complement of a n is assumed to be equal to a. Clear? So in step 2 I have to find capital M plus capital A. That is our step in step 2. So let's add. After adding, we got some result. Okay, let's count the number of bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have also 7 bit. In the original problem, we have also 7 bit. In this way, we have also 7 bit. After performing these additions, we have also got 7 bit. So there is no end carry. There is no end carry. So what will be my rule? 3A or 3B?
3B, sir.
3B,
sir.
okay?
3B.
But in this slide I made one mistake. Typically it should be 3B. Okay, so please correct it. It should be 3B. So after performing say step number 2, we obtain no end carry. So if no end carry, so we have to perform 3B. So in 3B states that if no end carry, then one's complement has to be taken of which data? Of B. This data as per our convention, it is equal to B. B is nothing but 110 tetra 1, 110 tetra 1. That is our B. So we have to perform the ones complement of B. Using shortcut process, we obtain this result. Okay, and then you have to place one negative sign. So after placing the negative sign, my result should be this. So it will be my result. Or you can write in this way also by omitting last 2 zeros. Okay, left hand side to MSD 0. So we can also write that data. Both are correct. Okay?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, can we write the complement in this way, the way you have written here, or we have to go through the whole process?
The thing is that in this problem we had to find, or we have to find 2, that means 2 number of 2 ones complement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in the first position, in this first case, we have already done, we have shown this process. If we show this process, that means the examiner understand, then will understand you know the process.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you are showing all step in step number 1, so there it is not mandatory to show the result in step number 3B.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, but
Yeah.
I will prefer do not lose your marks. Try to show each and every bit. Okay, each and every step, so
Okay.
that the examiner should not
Sir?
get any option to reduce your marks. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
What
This
is the query?
shortcut is only for one's complement, sir.
Yes, shortcut is applicable only for one's complement, but 2's complement is also available. For 2's complement, find one's complement, then add 1, then you perform whatever the result. Okay, it is also given. Is it clear? Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So my final result will be this one. Here I made again another mistake. I forgot to give minus sign. So again typographical error, please correct it. Okay. So all are, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? At least do not try to solve the problem. At least your concept is clear or not, na? Because if you face any problem, either you consult this video lecture, it is already recorded, or you consult the books, the concept will be more clear. So up to this, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt related to this mathematics?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, here it is giving using one's complement. Okay, so
Yes.
we are base as 2. If there is
Yes.
something other than 1, we will not get base 2 for these binary.
Yes. If we give,
Yes.
try to perform the subtraction m minus n using 7's complement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is beyond your syllabus because we do not follow. So in this case, what will happen? R minus
Okay.
1 will be 7, then R
Yes.
equal to 8. So
8.
you have to perform all mathematics using 8. Okay, in
Octa.
question,
Yes.
all things will be given in clear format. If the questions are not in clear, so you can write your own language, what is your approximate or appropriate correct answer, and
Yes.
based on our evaluation, we will give marks. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So your process should be correct. Don't bother about whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, if you can copy and paste from your friend, but if you know your answer may be wrong, but if you know the process, you can solve any problem. Okay, process
Yes.
should be known. Okay, good. Give me 1 minute. I have to drink water. Up to this, is there any doubt? Yes or no? Okay, can you move to the next slide? Can you move to the next slide? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so have you selected any CR of your class? Have you selected any CR? Class representative?
sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
CR.
No,
What?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay,
No,
so you
sir.
try
No,
to select
not yet,
one to share. Okay, because we have to communicate, because suppose we want to give one message. Normally we have section H group, but still sometimes what happen, if we forget, you can have another group. So if I inform the same thing in our group as well as to our CR, this CR can circulate the same message in your own group. Okay, so all the information should be circulated. Okay, so you try to select two CRs. Okay, those who are active in WhatsApp, at least in WhatsApp group. Okay, so that the information can be
All right, sir.
circulated within 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay? It's okay, you
Yes, sir,
decide by
yes.
yourself and tell me in the next class. By the way, I am telling next week, that means we from 21 to 24 I will be on leave on 21 December. Okay, so this is the December, and we have another class on 24th December. Okay, so we have already compensated one class. Suppose it is compensated because we have taken one class on Wednesday, Wednesday 9 to 10.
Yes,
So
sir.
one class is compensated. So I have to compensate another class. So I believe I will.
This week.
It is better to take this week. Okay. So this Wednesday we will have another class. That means in 24th December's class will be taken day after tomorrow from 9 to 10 as per our schedule. SJ slot.
Okay.
Okay. Do not
Okay,
miss the
sir.
class 9 to 10. Or 9 to 9:55,
sir.
whatever the time is there. Okay. Now,
All right, sir.
okay. Now, Abhi, तुम लोग
We are having one representative.
please. You have one.
Representative, sir. One. We have met someone.
You have.
Sir, English sir एक बनाए थे.
Yes, sir. That representative is there. Someone.
I forgot what English क्या है? I'm not
नहीं,
getting
Sir,
your-
English sir एक CR बनाए थे क्लास में.
अच्छा, कोई भी एक सीआर बना दो ना. अगर सेम सीआर है तो उसी को दे दो, कोई इशू नहीं है.
हाँ.
सीआर शुड बी सेम.
हाँ, वो है.
एक क्लास में एक सीआर, उसमें से एक सीआर, कोई इशू नहीं है. ठीक है. सो जो सीआर है, he should write, he should message me and write his name. I will save his number, his or her number. I need two CR. Okay, at least two CR, because you have 161 student. Okay, so
Yes,
decide
yes,
by
okay.
yourself
Sir,
and give it by today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's move to the next slide. Okay, next slide is extremely important. Okay, can you move?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is assignment. Okay, so write this assignment. I will give this assignment, don't worry. Okay, so I am sharing this assignment in your file box. You do not have to write. Okay, you do not have to write.
Okay,
hello.
sir.
You do not have to write this assignment.
Assignment on our regular copy, or we should do another copy for this?
Okay, I am here now. I will tell everything. Don't worry. Okay. So it is the assignment I am telling. How to submit this assignment, I will tell again. Don't worry. Okay. So this is the assignment. Do not write this assignment right now, because I will upload the file in the file section. Okay. So let's upload right now. This assignment is already given assignment. My screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is, yes. Can you see this
Sir,
PDF?
these are the examples that we did just now.
No. Similar kind of problem we solved. Okay, last date, I have to change the last date. So let's check this one. It is today, because I wanted to give that day in, let it be 16. 16, yes, 16 will be better. Or 16 or 17, let it be 17. Forget 17. Give 17 दे के थोड़ा टाइम ज्यादा दे. What is your suggestion?
17 हो जाएगा.
It's okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
24.
Sir, 17 is more than enough.
20.
17 is more than enough.
Okay, I am asking to those students. So is there any one student who needs little bit 1 or 2 days extra?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then what is your
Yes, sir.
suggestion? Which date should I give?
Sir, 20th would be nice.
20.
20.
20. Let me check. Okay, let's give 20.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
okay,
you,
okay.
sir.
To 20. How to submit the process? I will tell the process. Okay.
Okay,
I will
sir.
tell the process. Don't worry. Okay.
सर 20 संडे है
So क्या हुआ? तो संडे है तो?
कुछ नहीं सर हो जाएगा
हाँ. ठीक है. ठीक है. So I will upload this one. Just wait 1 minute. Let me upload this one. कहाँ पे है assignment? Make new folder assignment. ASSIGN. Assignments. ASSIGN. Assignments. Create. Assignments. I have uploaded this assignment. Okay. So it will come.
Sir, along
Yes.
with, sir, please also upload lecturer classes, sir.
Yeah. What?
Lecturer classes.
What lecture classes?
Sir, he is asking about video lecture.
सर रिकॉर्डेड
I
वीडियो
you
Recorded
follow,
classes.
Assignment
okay,
to
okay,
be
you
given in
follow-
which section?
In which section? That means it is one folder has been created and it is given, na? You can see na my desktop is visible na at your side.
Yes, sir.
It is visible. I have
Yes, sir,
created
yes.
one
Sir,
folder. Video
Sir,
lectures.
lectures. Lectures.
Oh, how many times should I
This is
repeat the
visible,
same
sir,
thing?
but due to lack of
How many times should I repeat all those things? Na, it is already available. Please download. It is difficult to give each and every data. It is already given. I have just uploaded to screenshot in your WhatsApp group how to, that means find those lectures. We have already downloaded, that means identified those positions, and we have given the that means if you click that download option, then it will be downloaded. Okay. So you need PDF, whatever I am saying, you need lectures, everything. If you give, then it is better to give. I should give exam for your side. Then he will get the marks only. So I'm requesting every time. So you try to download by your side. Otherwise, what will happen? That means most of the students will not follow the class, and they will attend. That means download this lecture only before this exam, and they will consult. And what will they will say? Sir, I didn't get that thing. Okay, so that's why I'm repeating several times. Try to download by your end.
Sir, shall I
Okay.
ask?
Yes, you can ask.
In assignment, there is using R's complement or R minus 1's complement not there, sir.
Okay, I believe the question is clearly written. I believe you have to read properly.
Yes, sir,
What
it's
is
clearly
yes.
written.
Yes,
Find
sir, it's clear.
something, some minus something. Let's this one, and it is given using 2's complement. Why there is a confusion?
So it's R's complement. It's
It is
clear.
R's complement. And what about this one?
This is R minus 1
R
complement.
minus one complement. Question is simple.
-1.
You have to understand. Okay? That's why I'm telling. Try to follow the lectures whenever I'm teaching, so that you can understand each and everything. If you miss any class, then follow the lecture. Okay. So
Sir, how we have to submit this?
that is my duty, na?
Yes, sir.
My slide is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
How to submit this file? Okay, I will tell. I am telling this. I am explaining. You have to give the proper file name. Okay, and the file should be in PDF format. Do not give in any other format. Suppose one student has got 4 pages and he or she is giving 4 images. Don't give. Make one PDF. Then give that on a single PDF, because we have to store all data for giving the marks, because finally we have lots of students. Okay, so we have to track each and every copy. So if you give 1, 2, 3 pages like this, it will be very difficult. So you have to give in PDF format. Is it clear or not? Is it clear in or not? PDF
Yes, sir.
format.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what is that SL number?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
why
sir.
you are
File
going
name.
to over here? I am here. So as I am
Okay,
here,
sir.
so you focus on here only. Okay, don't move forward, because I am here to explain the forward step. Okay. So up to this, is there any doubt up to this? Because the file name should be PDF. Okay.
Sir.
Time we have already given time, because we have already given it is 20 December 2020. So midnight 24 hours last time. Do not give, that means 1.0, what should I say, 0.01 this time. Do not give at this time. Okay, if you are giving, so there will be penalty. Okay, because you are getting huge amount of time to submit your assignment. Okay.
Sir, can I ask
now,
one question?
Yes, what is the question?
Yeah, sir. Actually, I was dropped out of the meeting because of poor net connection. So, can you please tell me what's the assignment is about?
I have just uploaded. Have you followed my lecture? Because I am taking the class from 110. Have you followed that one?
No, actually, sir, I was continuously being dropped out because today, why don't because I don't know, sir, internet connection is very bad over here.
Oh, then I have uploaded. You go to the file section. I have uploaded the assignment. Okay, and the last date is 20 December. Okay, so all assignments are given. You do not have to write. I have uploaded in PDF version. So no Word file, so that no one can edit. Okay, so up to this, is there any doubt? Do not go to step file name. Up to this, file format and time. Up to this, is there any doubt? Yes or no?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. No, sir. Okay. Now let's go to how to give file name, because you have to submit lots of assignment, at least 10-12 assignment. So how to give file name? So file name is given Basic Electronics Engineering. Okay, BEE. Then in short form ASDN, assignment. Then number. Then serial number. Then roll number. Okay, and all things are added with underscore, and I am giving arrow where underscore. A underscore B, it is underscore. A minus B, this is incorrect. It is correct. Is it clear or not? Underscore, did you get my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Now I am explaining what is number, what is serial number, what is roll number. Okay. Now, suppose there is one roll sheet. It is not your roll sheet. Don't worry. It is not your roll sheet. So whenever you are getting any roll sheet, I have given one roll sheet previously. In the serial number, it is given. Correct? Yes or no? Serial number 1, 2, 3. Then roll number is given. Name of the student is given. So from this roll sheet I have already provided, but still I will again provide because number of student has been increased. Okay, so I will provide after this class. Okay, after this class in the file section I will provide. So serial number is given. So as serial number is given, this portion is known. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Roll number will be visible. So if the roll number you can identify your name and roll number corresponding. So roll number can be found, and so roll number is also available. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is BEE. So this is known already because it is not English or life science. It is assignment. So ASGN, it is also fixed, and it is which assignment you are submitting. Okay. Let's give one example. Suppose some student is submitting third assignment, then what will be the file name? And the student is the second student. Okay, roll number is suppose 118 EC 0227. Okay, Bodhapati C Satyaram Charan, his name. So the file name, his file name should be BEE, then assignment ASGN. Then you observe number of assignment is 3, so 3. Then serial number, this serial number is nothing but 2. Then this roll number, it will appear over here. Is it clear or not?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, let's go to next slide. Now I am submitting, suppose assignment 5. Okay, I am submitting, suppose assignment 5. So file name for the first student will be this one. Yes or no? You verify at your side, because I have also given the file name format over here. You verify at your side. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
No.
Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt how to give file name? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
No,
The
sir.
second student file name should be this one. For the second student file name should be this one. If you give your that means if you do any mistake in while giving the file name, the marks will be provided to another student. So it will be very difficult to check your name and roll number. That means by observing your file name, we have to give the marks, because we have huge number of students. So that's why. So I'm requesting, do not make any mistake at your end. Okay. So do not copy and paste, or do not submit the assignment for your friend. So then what will happen? By mistake, if you do any mistake, so marks will be updated to wrong student. Okay. So once it is done, so we cannot change, because there will be lots of students. 161 students are there. So I'm telling several times. So give sufficient time to while giving the file name. For third student, file name should be this one. Please check whether these are correct or not. Please check. Okay. Don't write serial number first, then assignment number. First assignment number, then serial number. In this way, we can make an order. Can you go to the next slide? Can you go to the next slide?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Okay. What is the issue?
Sir, this is, so we have to provide this in our cover page of assignment. Am I right?
There should not be. You don't have to give any cover page, na. It is file
Okay,
name.
sir.
File name is different, na. Suppose you have one Word file A, B, C. Okay. It is the name. This name has to be given in this format.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So there should not be any. We don't need cover page. Okay. Whatever the 4 questions are given, to write the 4 questions. Suppose you need only 1 page. Write all those things in 1 page. Make the PDF. Okay. Then give the proper file name as per our procedure. That means convention. Then submit it. You have to submit. Where to submit, I will inform. You have to mail. Okay. But I have to create one email ID also. Now, while submitting the 7th assignment, and the serial numbers and roll numbers are also given, please check whether those are correct or not, because I am telling lots of example. So there should not be any confusion while submitting the assignment. Please check whether those are correct or not.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Some students, okay. Jyoti Narayankar, are you there? Jyoti Narayankar, are you there? CR department.
Yes, sir.
Then why did you message me in WhatsApp in MS Team?
Sir,
You are already here, na?
okay, sir.
So you request
Okay,
your
sir, I
friend
would
if
message
you
you.
want to. Okay, you request your friend if you want to add in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I have made 2 admin for that purpose already. हाँ, ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Yes,
It is
sir.
very difficult because
Yes.
मुझे इतना आता नहीं है, frankly speaking. हाँ, ठीक है? Okay.
No problem, sir. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
it's okay, no issue. So that is the file conventions. Up to this, is there any doubt how to submit this file?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
So,
sir.
No, sir.
so I will tell you.
we have
Yes.
Sir, we have to do all solutions in one page.
You can take 1 page, you can take 2 page, 3 page, 10 page, doesn't matter. Na?
Not, yes, sir. Thank you.
Doesn't matter. Okay. You
Sir,
can,
Will we send a PDF to
Sir.
by email?
okay, that we have to decide. That is not yet considered. I will inform by day after tomorrow or by Thursday. I will inform, because last date is 20, na? So
Okay,
that's why I will inform on Wednesday or Wednesday. That means on 16 or 17 December, I will inform how to submit that file.
Okay,
Because in WhatsApp will not be allowed. Okay.
Yeah.
The thing is that if one student update, that means upload any file in the, what should I say, in the MS Team, then what will happen? Other student can
Other
download.
students will download it. Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
So one student will do, rest of the student can easily copy. So that we have to stop. So that's why I think
So we
email
can
will be
mail
best option.
you by
Sir,
our Zimbra mail.
Jibra mail, it
So
will
we
be.
can send in Google Form by making it a file in a PDF.
No. The thing, Google Form में क्या होगा? The thing is, it will be available to rest of the student, na? It is open to
No,
all.
sir.
na,
No,
Google
sir.
Form?
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir,
It
it
will
will
be
be
available only to you.
So सिर्फ
Sir,
आप ही
if
के
you
पास
set
जाएगा
up an
Google Form में.
so if you set up an assignment in MS Teams, other students won't be able to download it.
Okay. No. I need one copy. I will create one email
Sir,
only
email will be
for
better, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can mail you directly to your
yes,
direct
then we
email
can
ID.
make the proof. Suppose some student has submitted the file within the deadline, but due to some our fault, there we are human being. We can do also mistake. Suppose we didn't consider his or her name. So email, he can give the screenshot, sir. I have submitted the assignment within the deadline. So then I will reconsider his file. So there should not be any ambiguity if he or she is giving the email. So I will create one email ID because my email will be full. Otherwise. So let's stop.
Excuse me, sir. I have a doubt, sir.
Yes. What is
Sir,
your doubt?
Sir, after completing the assignment, I have to merge all the pages into one PDF. Am I right?
Otherwise, if you have 4 files, so there should be
Yes.
4 file name, na?
Yes, sir.
Because I am telling you have to give only one file name. So that's why
Okay,
you have to merge it. Very simple. Okay. Can we start our next topic because we are already lagging?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So today our topic is logic gates. Okay, today our topic is logic gate. Okay. So do you know logic gate? Is there any student who doesn't have any concept on logic gate? Is there any student who doesn't have any concept on logic gate? Hello?
I don't know.
Sir, I don't.
Okay, very good. Don't
Yes,
worry.
sir. No concept.
Yes, don't worry. I also do not have sufficient knowledge. We will learn simultaneously. Okay, don't worry. So the thing is that in the Boolean constants and variable we are first learning, we have only 2 logic in simple nutshell. Do not consider very advanced terminology. Suppose I am giving simple example. Suppose we can understand, suppose what is the speed of my computer? 2.4 gigahertz, that is the speed, or 3.2 gigahertz. Normally we get this kind of frequency. Okay, so that means it is in nanosecond order. But very recently, quantum computing system has been done to build one supercomputer. It is called quantum computer, whose speed is trillion times faster than conventional computer. Okay, it is advanced topic. It is in research level, so we are not considering those kind of advanced topic. Okay, in very basic concept, all the Boolean variables or constant can be expressed in terms of either 0 or 1. Only two notations, no other logic. Okay, if you get any other extra logic, then it will not be in the basic Boolean constant variable. Is it clear or not? Up to this, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose I have one voltage level. Because finally whatever we will do, I have to design some kind of electronic circuit. If we have electronic circuit, we have to give voltage. So how to specify the 0 and 1 with respect to voltage? So if it is 0, so voltage level should be from 0 volt to 0.8 volt. Okay, not greater than 0.8. If it is 1, voltage level should be 0 to 5 volt. So suppose it is 1 level. So up to this it is
2 to 5 volts.
2 to 5 volts, sir. 2 to 5 volt, na? Logic 1 I have given, na?
Sir, then why are you not considering 1 volt? Why are you not considering 1 volt?
Why we are not considering 1 volt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is normal assumptions, na? The rest of the whole scientific era is using the 0 should be, that means logic 0 should be considered from 0 volt to 0.8 volt. Okay, and logic 1 should be considered from if the voltage level lies from 2 volt to 5 volt. We cannot do. It is normal assumption. Okay, so this level is nothing but 0.8 volt.
Then between 0.8 to 2 volts.
Yes. In between, if we have any voltage, we cannot make any decision. Okay. If we have any voltage, suppose it is kahan gaya? ये वाला this 2. Suppose it is 2 and up to this it is 5 volt. Suppose it is 5 volt and it is 2 volt. So this is logic 1. So it is logic 1 and it is logic 0. Okay, so in between if we have any voltage, then we cannot consider this as a logic 0 or logic 1. Okay, so in other concept when if you belongs to computer science or electrical or electronics, okay, or instrumentation, then I believe you will learn microprocessor or in future neurofuzzy logic, some advanced topic. So in that topic, this intermediate state is normally defined as a high impedance stage. Okay, high impedance stage. Okay, based on this stage, we can also make decision. But in our simple nutshell, we have logic 1 stage and we have logic 0 stage. We do not have the provision to consider this stage.
Sir, you have been muted.
Sir, you were muted. Someone has muted you.
Sir, you are muted. Sir, yes, sir, you are muted.
Muted, sir.
Sir, are you
You are not audible.
Sir, you
Yes,
are not audible.
Okay. So did I repeat again? Should I repeat again?
No, sir. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No need to repeat again.
Please do not mute me, at least. Please do not mute me, huh? So suppose it is voltage level, and here I am giving, suppose it is 1 voltage, and we have the provision from 0 to 0.8, so it is 0 and it is 0.8 volt. So if we have this voltage, we will consider it is a logic 0. Okay, logic 0. And suppose it is voltage level 2 and up to this is suppose 5 volt. This scale is not in the proper way. So if any voltage lies from 0 to 2, it will be logic 1. Okay, if we have any voltage between 1 to 2, suppose 1.4 volt, so we cannot make this voltage in our Boolean constant. Okay, in advanced topic like microprocessor, like neurofuzzy, so those kind of intermediate stage is normally considered as a high impedance stage, and this is beyond your syllabus in the current semester. So that's why we will not focus any logic which is lying between 1 volt to 2 volt. So we will not focus over here. We will focus only over here between 0 to 0.8 volt, that is the logic 0, and from 1 to 5 volt, sorry, 2 to 5 volt, and that is logic 1. Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt?
Sir, even after 5 volt, it is not on our concern.
After 5 volt, you will never get after 5 volt. The thing is that it is given the one example where we are assuming maximum voltage will lie between 0 to 5. Suppose your circuit is operating, from 10 voltage, from 0 to 10 voltage, you multiply by 2 using the same scaling procedure, and then 0 to 1.6 voltage will be considered as a logic 0, and 4 to 10 voltage will be considered as a logic 1. It is normal convention. Okay. So the thing is that we normally give more than 5 voltage in normal circuitry, because whatever the circuit we will consider, we will or normally use some kind of diode or some MOSFET or something like that. So diode is normally used to build those kind of logic gates in basic logic. We are not going to advanced topic. In basic level, we normally use to diode, and diode is sufficient to conduct within using 1.5 voltage. Why? We will learn, because it cut-in voltage is 0.6 or 0.7 voltage depending on material. So that's why 1.5 voltage is sufficient to make it conduct. So that's why we can build any kind of circuit, logic gates, at least AND, NOR gate, NOR gate, OR gate, NAND gate, using simple kind of diode. Okay, so logic 0 can are not, yes,
Sir.
yes, yes.
So logic 1 is from 0 to 5 or 2 to 5?
2 to 5. 2 to 5. I
from
told
1 to
here I have already given, na? It is clearly written over here. Then
yes, sir. Thank you.
Is it clear na? Right now it is clear na?
Yes, clear, sir.
Okay. Now logic 1 sometimes are also termed as false, off, low, no, or open. But when we are using false, we have to use true to denote the logic 1. If we are using off, we have to use on. We cannot use false and high. The using of false and high is not accepted, Okay, so when you are using low, you have to use high. Is it clear? When you are using no, you have to use yes to denote the logic 1. If you use 0, you have to use the 1 to denote logic 1. If you use open switch, you have to use closed switch. Okay, so it is a parity. Okay, so that's why do not change this parity, otherwise what will happen? The examiner may not understood. So what will, as a result of that, there will be reduction in marks at your side. So you will lose your marks. So do not try to use unconventional notation. So it is not our, that means this process is not accepted. So I am rubbing this one. Can you move to the next slide? Can you move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I have one truth table. Truth table is that I have one circuit. What kind of circuit? I do not know. It is a black box. Suppose. Okay. I am giving 2 input only. I am giving 2 input for this simplicity. I can give 3, 4, 5 input also. Then I am getting output. So it is input and it is output. So I am writing the inputs, I am writing by A and B, and the output I am writing by X. Okay. Now I am telling A, it is a Boolean function, Boolean variable. So A can take either 0 or 1. B can also take either 0 or 1. So if I make a combination, if I use A equal to 0, then B can take either 0 or 1. So the combination can be 0, 0 or 0, 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When A equal to 1, then B can also take 0 or 1, anyone. So my possible another 2 combination will be 1, 0 or 1, 1. Is it, yes? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
here we are getting 2 number of combination. Here we are also getting 2 number of combination. So total 4 number of combination. Okay. So those combinations are given over here. You observe either A is 0 or 1 or B is 0 or 1. Yes or no? Is
Yes,
it clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Do not bother about output part. We will understand. Just focus on input. Now, based on this input value A and B and the working principle of that black box, what kind of working principle we do not know, because we have mentioned it as a black box, and I am getting output. This output, it is Boolean variable. It is Boolean variable, BV, Boolean variable. So this output should also be Boolean variable. If it is the Boolean variable, then X should take either 0 or 1. It cannot take other value. So you can see the X is taking is either 1 or 0 for each of these possible solution. Okay. So now the thing is that the truth table is one kind of table by which we can identify the value of output variable. Okay. And it is time invariant, and it is time invariant. If we change the input, that means in the first stage, if we give this input, I should get this output. If I immediately change the input from this position to this position, third one, the output will be this one. If I again give this input this one, then my output will be this one. Okay, so the truth table is one kind of table by which we can find the output of a particular circuitry, and the output will be time independent. That means in 2020, if I get this value output for a fixed value of input A and B, in the year of 2021, I will get same output for this same kind of input if I use the same circuitry. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, logic gates. Now here we have given 2 inputs and 1 output. Similarly, this table belongs to 3 inputs and 1 output.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we got a message from biology class.
Yes. It is 10:09, na? Just wait. 10:10 is the last time. Okay. Just wait 1 minute.
Sir, it's 2:14.
2:14. Then your clock is first.
No, sir, it's 2:14.
No, sir.
Okay. 2:14. Wait. It is my fault.
Sir, your watch
Actually, it is 2:14, but our institute watch is slow. That's why I was saying that one. Just give me 10 seconds, huh? Just give me 10 seconds. So in this table, how many inputs variables are there? In this table, how many inputs variables are there?
4 variables.
So there are 4 inputs and 1 output.
One output.
Okay. So let's stop today's class. Do not leave. I have to take this attendance. Do not leave. I have to take this attendance. Do not leave.
Sir.
I have to take this attendance.
Okay, sir.
Just wait 1 minute. Let me check whether the attendance has been downloaded or not. कहाँ गया? Downloaded. Yes, the attendance has been downloaded. Now you can leave. Okay. So we will have class on Monday.
Thank you, sir.
We will have another class on Wednesday. We will have another class on Wednesday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day. Yes. Okay. Bye. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Please attend other class. Okay. Thank you.